Collision repair is a rewarding career for anyone who likes working with cars. After an accident or collision of any kind, vehicles of all makes and models will need the hands of a skilled professional. In TSTC's Auto Collision and Management program, students learn to bring vehicles back to life. Available at our Harlingen, Fort Bend County, and Waco locations, students receive hands-on training in collision repair, molding, restoring, refinishing, and more. Graduates can go on to become auto body technicians and automotive painters sought after by collision repair and refinishing businesses of all sizes all over the state. Future projections show Texas will need over 13,000 automotive body repairers by the year 2030. If you have an attention to detail and enjoy a challenge that requires quick thinking, problem-solving skills, and strategizing, Auto Collision is the career for you.